So to create a screenshot using Python we need two libraries to be installed. So first go to the terminal. Then install PyAutoGUI library like this. I have already installed the library, so the requirement is saying satisfied. Now install Pillow library. Now import PyAutoGUI library to our code. Next we need to create a variable to store our screenshot data. Then we need to store that data into our local storage as a PNG file. Let's run the program. I have misspelled screenshot. Now again run the program, and when the program is finished it will print out the word save. So our program is running perfectly. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.